Alright, it's summertime, finally! And maybe some of you actually watched when I installed the vinyl wrap for my dash in my new Model 3. And today I actually thought I'm going to do the center console as well. So, after the intro. Alright, so I got these from Humphrey. The good thing about these is that it's 3M, so it's high quality stuff. And they say it's really easy to actually install these, so we'll see if it's easy. It will be definitely more easy than the dash. Actually, people that have been looking on the dash, they're actually saying, "Oh, it turned out really good." And yeah, first time doing it, and I'm happy with the results. So we'll see how this turns out. One thing that I think can be a bit tricky is when it comes to pieces like this, how it will fit, how it will stick if you need to wrap it over. We will see. But first thing is to clean. So I use this window wash and also a towel. So let's start with this cup holder piece here. Let's see if we can get rid of all the fat, and also if there are any sugar residue. Maybe someone's been eating candy in the car. And then we also make sure that we clean. We put some on here. And make sure that we clean here as well. I'm not sure if you can see this on camera, but when I got this car delivered, there's something sticking out in between the two plastic pieces here. So something from the factory. And I haven't, I mean, it's kind of easy to just remove this part, but I haven't done that. All right, so let's start with removing this first piece. And as you can see, you also have for the back for the USB charging ports. And this one is good because then we can use this one to hold it when we put it down here. So we can hold it like this, then make sure to put it this way, otherwise it will, as you see, it will fall. So I try to align this side and also check if it's center like that. So see how this fits. Now I'm going to transfer this back. This one, maybe I will use it later. We'll see. So, as we can see, we have some bubbles here. So we can start to work this down, not get the bubbles. And we move it. Make sure to overlap a bit. Let's see if we're happy with the fitting, and yeah, happy with it. It's a little bit here, but it's still just about correct over there. So all right, so time to make these. Yeah, nice. And we continue to use this on the next piece as well. But first, let's clean it up. All right. To the next piece. See, no, this doesn't fit, but it will fit up here. Yes, that one goes up there. So it's this one. Seems to fit there. It's a bit rounded here, and seems to fit like this. We put this transparent transfer tape on. Can have this to work with. So let's see if we can fit this one. Right, so let's just use this for protection. Work out the bubbles, make it stick. Let's make it 3 times so it properly overlap. It's my first time doing this, but common sense. Here we can see, I'm not sure how well you can see it, but you see you get an air bubble. So we have to work it out this way. And with this vinyl from 3M, it's super easy to get rid of the air bubbles. It's kind of amazes me how easy it is to just push it and they are pushed out. Yeah, soon the software will tell me to close the lid gently. If you haven't seen that, if you do like this, you will get a message on the screen saying, "Close console lid gently." It's kind of interesting that Tesla have a sensor in there. All right, so then we have this piece, and then we have that little piece up there that you can't even see. can't really see how it looks. Mostly because I can't see with my glasses in this angle. But it looks pretty good. And as I said, I will not see it anyway. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's okay. If you think it's okay, give this video a thumbs up, please. Alright, so now we only have this piece left, and this one is going here. Ta-da! Gonna clean this one up as well. This is so lightweight, so you won't have anything to hold back. And let's check out how well it will fit. So it's supposed to wrap around there. Alright. It's going like this. Yeah, it seems like that's the way to go. It was actually a really nice fit. And now I remove it now when the vinyl is there, just to fix it. So let's put this back. Yes. So look at that. Oh, don't look at that. That's my crap. But look at this, huh? Looking good. So actually I didn't know how to install this before doing this video together with you guys. So it was really easy. I just actually asked how to do it, and they said, oh, you use this transfer film, the transparent one, and yeah, it's it was really easy actually, and I'm happy with the results. One negative thing though is that now, since it's a little bit lighter than the piano black, now you can notice, I'm not sure how it looks from the top, from this camera here, if you can see it, but now you can notice that this panel is not centered. It's not the vinyl, it's the whole panel that's shifted a bit to the left here. I will most likely not care about that. I hope I won't care, because I'm really picky at some of these things sometimes. Me and some other family members of mine. Alright, so that's how you install the vinyl wrap for the center console, and I'm not going to do that, but also included is for the USB charging panel in the back, if you want to do that one as well. And this is the first in any of my videos, removing my scarf. I think it turned out really good. The fit was really good on this 3M vinyl, and also I think it was super easy to get rid of the bubbles. So if you have any bubbles, you just push it to the side and off they go. And it was easy to hear if you had bubbles, because you got a clicking sound. So super easy. And I think it matches the dash pretty good. It's the same 3M vinyl and the same pattern, and it's also the same direction. I would have been crazy if the direction was that way on the center console and the other way on the dash. But this actually looks really good. Alright, so thank you very much for watching. Please thumb this video up if you like this. And I have a lot of ideas of different other videos to make, especially videos about other things that I do, home automation and 3D printing and stuff like that. So give me a comment if you want to see something like that on this channel. And yeah, stay tuned for the bloopers and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, drive safely, and I see you in the next one. Oh, it's time for me to take my meds. Good timing, huh? Good thing I have bloopers in my videos these days. And it's time to restart the recording. Good thing I have GoPros and also the DJI action filming with. Hej då!